For efficient concrete placement in Carmel, New York, a local concrete pump contractor Carmel NY can streamline every project from concrete delivery to concrete placement. Carmel NY. Concrete pumping services in Carmel NY help reduce labor, speed up schedules, and improve precision for foundation pouring, slab pouring, sidewalk installation, driveway pour, patio concrete pour, basement floor pour, garage floor concrete, pool deck pouring, retaining wall fill, and hardscape concrete support. When ready-mix pumping is needed on tight timelines, a local concrete pump company Carmel NY can provide same-day concrete pumping. Carmel NY for residential and commercial jobs. Commercial concrete pumping Carmel NY supports larger builds with high-rise concrete placement, structural pours, and ready-mix concrete pumping. Carmel NY across Putnam County concrete pumping job sites. A Carmel New York boom pump or concrete boom truck. Carmel NY can reach difficult locations, making boom pump service ideal for multi-level projects, commercial slabs, and access-restricted pours. For contractors who need dependable concrete pumping near Carmel NY, efficient concrete placement and concrete hose service can improve productivity while keeping material flow consistent and controlled. Residential concrete pumping. Carmel NY is ideal for homeowners and builders handling basement concrete pour. Carmel NY, garage floor concrete pumping. Carmel NY, patio concrete services. Carmel NY, driveway concrete pumping. Carmel NY, and foundation concrete pumping. Carmel NY. A concrete pump rental can be a smart option for smaller crews, while small load concrete pumping keeps projects efficient without excess waste. With a Carmel NY line pump or line pump service, crews can move concrete into backyards, tight lots, and hard-to-reach spaces throughout Carmel Hamlet concrete pumping areas. Concrete pumping. Carmel NY remains essential for projects that demand accuracy, speed, and less mess. From concrete pumping Carmel, New York to concrete pumping services in Carmel NY, the right equipment handles everything from sidewalk installation to slab pouring. Carmel, New York with less manual handling and fewer delays. Concrete pump rental options and concrete hose pumping. Carmel, New York give builders flexibility for residential concrete pumping. Carmel NY, commercial concrete pumping. Carmel NY, and concrete placement. Carmel NY in neighborhoods across Carmel, New York. A long-reach boom pump is often the best choice for jobs requiring extended reach and precise placement over homes, fences, or obstacles. Carmel New York boom pump service is especially valuable for pool deck pouring, retaining wall fill, and driveway pour applications where direct truck access is limited. For affordable concrete pumping. Carmel NY, a concrete boom truck. Carmel NY can reduce the need for wheelbarrows and labor-intensive hauling while supporting same-day concrete pumping. Carmel NY when weather windows and project deadlines are tight. Foundation pouring and basement floor pour work require reliable concrete delivery and consistent pump performance from a Carmel NY concrete pump service. Foundation concrete pumping. Carmel NY is especially important in areas with constrained lots or sloped terrain, where concrete hose service can reach forms more efficiently than traditional placement methods. Ready-mix concrete pumping. Carmel NY paired with small-load concrete pumping makes it easier to handle residential foundations, garage floor concrete, and basement concrete pour. Carmel NY with clean, accurate results. Sidewalk installation, patio concrete pour, and driveway pour projects benefit from local concrete pump company Carmel NY service that understands site access and project timing in Carmel, New York. Affordable concrete pumping. Carmel NY helps homeowners and contractors manage budget-conscious pours without sacrificing quality, whether the job involves concrete delivery, concrete placement, or concrete pumping near Carmel NY. For residential concrete pumping. Carmel NY, the right setup can make slab pouring, hardscape concrete support, and concrete hose service faster and more predictable. Commercial sites in Putnam County concrete pumping zones often require high output, dependable scheduling, and experienced operators. Concrete pump contractor Carmel NY services can support commercial concrete pumping. Carmel NY for large slabs, structural pads, and high-rise concrete placement, while a Carmel NY line pump can handle interior pours and restricted access areas. Ready-mix pumping on commercial projects helps keep finish quality high and delays low, especially when same-day Concrete Pumping Carmel NY is required to keep the schedule moving. For homeowners planning a garage floor Concrete Pumping Carmel NY job or a basement concrete pour Carmel NY, Concrete Pumping Services in Carmel NY offer cleaner placement and better control than manual methods. A concrete hose pumping Carmel New York setup can place material precisely where it's needed, reducing spillage and improving finish quality. From driveway Concrete Pumping Carmel NY to patio Concrete Services Carmel NY, concrete placement in Carmel NY becomes more efficient with experienced boom pump service and line pump service options. Concrete Pumping Carmel New York is the practical choice for projects needing speed, reach, and accuracy across Carmel Hamlet concrete pumping areas and surrounding Putnam County locations. Whether the job calls for residential concrete pumping, commercial concrete pumping, foundation pouring, or slab pouring, a local concrete pump company Carmel NY can provide concrete delivery coordination, concrete hose service, and efficient concrete placement from start to finish. For builders searching for Concrete Pumping Carmel NY, Concrete Pumping Services in Carmel NY, or Concrete Pump Rental Solutions, the right team helps deliver same-day Concrete Pumping Carmel NY, affordable Concrete Pumping Carmel NY, and dependable results on every pour.